Welcome to the Rubber Shoe Sole Upcycling Factory, where old tires get a new life.
Tires are collected from landfills and recycling centers across the region. Each day, thousands of end-of-life tires arrive for processing.
Initial inspection ensures only suitable tires are selected for upcycling.
Sorted tires head to the cleaning stage to remove dirt and debris. Thorough cleaning prepares the rubber for shredding. Now, the tires are fed into powerful shredders.
Shredding breaks down the tires into manageable pieces.
These strips separate rubber from steel and fabric. Steel is recycled separately, promoting circular economy. Textile fibers are extracted for other upcycling uses.
The remaining rubber is ready for grinding. Grinding turns the rubber into fine crumb particles. Sieves ensure consistent granule sizes for quality. Quality checks verify the crumb's purity and texture.
Processed crumb is stored before devulcanization. Devulcanization breaks down crosslinks in the rubber.
This makes the rubber reusable, like new material. The result is regenerated rubber for compounding. Binders and additives enhance durability and grip.
Precise formulas create optimal sole properties.
Extrusion shapes the rubber into uniform sheets. Cooling stabilizes the material before molding.
Molds are prepared for compression molding. Sheets are loaded into custom sole molds. Heat and pressure form the rubber into soles.
Each cycle takes minutes for perfect shaping.
New soles emerge with durable tread designs.
Immediate cooling prevents deformation.
Controlled cooling ensures strength and flexibility.
Visual checks catch any imperfections early. Trimming refines the edges for smooth finish.
Buffing enhances surface quality and adhesion.
Sorted soles head to quality control. Flex tests verify durability under stress.
Abrasion resistance ensures long-lasting performance.
Grip tests confirm safety on wet and dry grounds. Composition analysis upholds eco standards.
Past soles are batched for packaging.
Protective packaging prevents damage in transit.
Labels highlight the sustainable origins. Pallets are prepared for efficient shipping.
Final products shipped to footwear manufacturers.
Ongoing innovations enhance the upcycling process. This factory diverts tons of tires from landfills yearly. Upcycling promotes a greener footwear industry. From tires to footwear, closing the loop. The process repeats, sustaining circular economy.
Regular maintenance keeps operations smooth.
Safety protocols protect our dedicated team. Continuous training drives efficiency. Research improves rubber regeneration techniques. New tread patterns boost performance.
Collaborations ensure steady tire supply.
Educating locals on tire upcycling benefits. Sustainable energy powers the operations.
Minimizing waste in every step.
Collection starts with partnerships across cities.
Efficient unloading maximizes throughput. Automation aids in precise sorting.
Green cleaners remove contaminants safely.
Adaptable shredders handle all tire types.
Recovered steel goes to metal recyclers.
Fibers repurposed for insulation materials. Custom grinding for specific sole needs.
Precise temperatures optimize regeneration.
Additives allow for colorful options.
Dyes create specialized sole shapes.
Treads designed for grip and longevity.
Even cooling prevents warping. Robotics speed up finishing touches. Texturing improves sole functionality. Laser scans detect micro defects. Impact tests simulate real-world use.
Eco-packaging aligns with sustainability.
Soles reach footwear brands worldwide.
day in the life of upcycling innovation.
Skilled workers drive the process forward. Calibration ensures precision every time.
Drills keep the team prepared. Innovations reduce environmental impact. Audits maintain high input standards.
Drives boost local tire collections.
Renewables cut carbon footprints.
Water reuse conserves resources.
Audits track sustainability progress. Logistics optimize tire transport. Tech speeds up receiving. AI enhances sorting accuracy.
Biodegradables protect the environment.
Maintenance extends machine life. Compacted steel ready for reuse.
Baled fibers for new applications.
Refinement achieves finer crumbs. Monitors control the process.
Dosing ensures perfect mixes.
Tunnels cool extrusions evenly. Designs tailor to client needs.
Gauges fine-tune molding.
Mechanisms eject soles flawlessly.
Extensions allow thorough cooling. Lasers guide precise trims.
Wheels vary for different finishes. Logging tracks performance metrics.
Automation speeds packaging. Scanners ensure accurate delivery.
Team ideas improve efficiency.
Upgrades incorporate new tech. Updates enhance worker protection. Collaborations foster breakthroughs.
Feedback refines designs. Checks align with green goals.
Impacts benefit local areas.
Expansions grow eco-power.
Upcycling transforms waste into value.
From tires to steps, sustainably.